Today we are in Avignon, right in the middle of the Provence, and behind me you can see Le Palais des Papes, which was basically where the popes lived in the 14th century. In terms of tourism, it's quite a really gorgeous place to live and visit all year round. We are in the winter, it's still quite busy, and we are going to visit some absolutely prestigious apartments and houses right in the middle of Avignon. Let's go. I'm gonna show you this absolutely gorgeous house. It's around 300 square meters, it's got 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and many features that makes it absolutely unique. So the entrance hallway is there, currently used as a doctor, so here is the doctor's room. You have a really large garage. We won't visit it, but basically you can store 2 cars in there, and so it's really rare to have a big garage right in the middle of a city like Avignon. Look at that lounge with the conservatory here. Absolutely magnificent. The volumes, everything's so beautiful. So we have a large professional kitchen. It's professional equipment. I love the colors they've used. Au cœur d'Avignon, right in the heart of Avignon, which is true. It's double glazed everywhere. We have a lovely fireplace here, and I absolutely love this. What do you think of that place? Wow, are you as amazed as I am? Honestly, I love the style, I love everything, the stones, the colors. They've done a brilliant job. Okay, we've seen the ground level, time to go upstairs and have a look at what we'll find there. Probably bedrooms. I think there's a private terrace as well. Okay, one long corridor, there's a room here, rooms there, terrace. Let's have a look. So the kids, they've got a big wardrobe, air conditioning, bathroom, toilets, private terrace that we'll see in a second. large terrace, I mean, for kids or friends, and it's really high. The walls are really, really high, so it's really secured even for kids if you make it a playground for kids upstairs for their bedroom. And it's overlooking the garden here. We have visited this place. Let's have a look at that bedroom. Nice flooring tiles, shower room here. Then there is once again super bright. I like the colors they've done. Nice colors. Oh, there's a mezzanine with a lounge. Okay, so I did count one bedroom downstairs, two bedrooms, 1, 2, 3, 5 bedrooms in this house, which is around 300 square meters. Private courtyard, garage, it's got it all because once again, it's an old house right in the middle of the historical part of one of the most beautiful city in France, Avignon. And that makes it quite an interesting property to consider. If you want the sun all year long in the south of France, that's a property to consider. I hope, just like me, you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful house. And if you have questions, if you want to know more about it, please leave us your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really, really helps us. And I'd be delighted to see you in our next episode of some unique properties in France. Stay tuned.